In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop loss on CMC markets. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign into your account. So right now, I'm inside my demo account, but it's going to work the exact same way if you're using a real live account as well. Then you want to go and find whatever you want to trade. So over here on the currencies, I'm currently on currencies. You could go to whatever you want. I'm just going to click on buy over here next to Euro USD. Now, of course, again, you can trade whatever you want, and it's going to pop up this trading window over here. In here, you can go and select buy or sell, then your amounts and stuff like this. I'm going to do 100 right now. There we go. And then you can set your order type as well. And then if you want to add a stop loss, here it says stop loss with the red coloring. Click on stop loss. You can then set your stop loss and whichever one you want. So you have the regular one, the trailing stop loss, or the guaranteed stop loss, and then you can go and of course set your numbers for the stop loss, and of course then you can go and place your market order or whatever order you have. Now you could also add take profits if that's something you want to do, and then just click, and there we go. It's going to basically go ahead and go through with your order, and you have a stop loss down here. Okay, so if you want to modify this at a later date, you can go to your positions, click on over here where you can see the modify button, or just click on it and you can go and change it as well. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.